What's up, guys? So after our little camping slash off-roading trip, the Land Cruiser was due for an oil change. Now usually people would take their car either into a dealer, Jiffy Lube, some type of mechanic shop to get this thing done. I'm going to show you how to do it from the convenience of your driveway. Everybody has their own preference on when to change their motor oil. I usually like to do it every 3,000 miles or so, give or take, just because oil and oil filters don't cost that much, but engines do. All the tools and parts that I use in this tutorial will be listed in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now, let's do this. For this video, I'm going to be using my 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser. The procedure will be the same for any 1998 to 2006 Toyota Land Cruiser or Lexus LX470. Start up the car and let it run for a couple minutes. Lift up the car so you can easily access the underbody. I'm using the Rhino ramps because they're convenient and they're very sturdy. Now turn off the car and let's get started. Crawl underneath the car to locate the oil drain plug. You'll probably need a mat because the drain plug is at the back of the engine. Once you've located the oil drain bolt, use your 14mm socket to take that out. Make sure you have your oil drain pan ready to catch the used motor oil. Take off the old crush washer. Then you'd want to clean the drain bolt with just a paper towel or something, and then replace the crush washer with a new one. After you get all the old oil out, you want to use a paper towel just to clean off where the drain bolt will sit on the oil pan. Replace the drain bolt with the new crush washer. Tighten to spec. Here's the old oil out of the engine. It looks pretty good, very fluid still, not clumpy. There doesn't seem to be any metallic flakes in there. The engine should be okay. Next, you want to locate where the oil filter is and replace that too. You'll see it as soon as you remove this little cover plate. Remove both the 12mm bolts. And there's your oil filter. You'll need an oil filter wrench to get the oil filter out. I've used this little adjustable one for a while now and it works really well. Once you crack the oil filter loose with a wrench, have your drip pan ready to go. Then, just use your hand to loosen the filter the rest of the way. I'll be replacing the oil filter with another Toyota one. I'll have the part number listed in the description below. The Toyota ones are nice because they come with a plastic seal, which prevents dust and other crap getting into your filter, and also keeps the seal nice and lubed. Wipe down the area and put in the new oil filter. It's important to note that you only want the oil filter hand tight. Do not use the wrench to tighten the oil filter. Replace the cover and the two 12mm bolts. The owner's manual recommends 5W30 as the ideal weight of oil for the Toyota Land Cruiser. However, 10W30 is also accepted. Use a funnel to get the new engine oil into the motor without making a mess. For all my cars, I prefer to use full synthetic, but any regular engine oil will do. According to the owner's manual, the Toyota Land Cruiser has an oil capacity of 6.8 quarts. I usually pour in about 6 quarts of oil and then move the car to a flat area where I can precisely measure the oil level. Pull out the engine oil dipstick to check the oil level. Slowly add oil until the oil reaches the full mark on the oil dipstick. This might take a couple of tries. And lastly, don't forget to mark down the mileage and the date when you changed your engine oil. AutoZone gives out these handy window stickers for free. This way, you'll know when it's time for that next oil change. And that's it. Not too bad. Make sure you take that used motor oil to a recycling station. Anywhere like a Pep Boys or AutoZone will be able to take care of that properly for you. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you just have some tips for me, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.